Running multiple VMs simultaneously. Virtual machines, VMs, provide an efficient way to run multiple operating systems on a single machine. However, when running multiple VMs at the same time, performance issues can arise if system resources are not properly managed. Whether you are testing software, setting up a lab environment, or managing cloud-based services, understanding how to optimize system performance, allocate resources efficiently, and prevent slowdowns is crucial. System requirements for running multiple VMs. Before running multiple virtual machines, ensure your host system has sufficient hardware resources to handle multiple workloads. A multi-core processor with virtualization support, at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, and SSD storage are recommended for smooth performance. Optimizing VM settings for running multiple VMs. Each virtual machine consumes system resources. To run multiple VMs smoothly, you need to allocate resources efficiently. Assign only necessary CPU cores and RAM per VM, enable memory optimization features like ballooning, and use SSDs for better disk performance. Running multiple VMs in VirtualBox. VirtualBox allows multiple VMs to run at the same time, but performance depends on how efficiently resources are allocated. Open VirtualBox, start VMs in new window mode, and use headless mode for resource-intensive VMs. Adjust CPU and RAM allocation under Settings to prevent excessive resource usage. Running multiple VMs in VMware Workstation. VMware Workstation is optimized for handling multiple virtual machines. Use VMware's tabbed interface to switch between VMs, configure resource limits and settings, and leverage Unity mode for seamless integration with the host system. Best practices for running multiple VMs smoothly. Limit the number of running VMs based on available resources. Use linked clones instead of full clones to save disk space. Optimize network settings with bridged or host-only networking. Use lightweight operating systems for efficiency, and monitor system performance using Task Manager or performance monitoring tools. Final thoughts: maximizing performance with multiple VMs. Running multiple VMs simultaneously requires careful resource allocation to prevent performance bottlenecks. By optimizing CPU, RAM, and disk storage using link clones and limiting background applications, you can ensure smooth operation even with several VMs running at the same time.